Hey kids, welcome to Doodle with Fatima. Let's color party time. Let's get started. Let's color the jug with violet color. Do you enjoy your tea time with your family? Now I'm using pink color. Let's color the mouth with red and black color. Let's color the radio with dark green and orange. Do you listen to music? Tell me in the comment below. Now let's color the eyes and the tongue with pink color. Let's color the lips with red color. Let's color the tea bag with pink color. Let's color the teacup with yellow color. Let's color the coaster with brown and orange color. Let's color the tea with brown color. Let's color the tea bags now. Let's color the musical notes with red and yellow. Now let's color the word party time with green color. Lastly, I used blue and green for the background. Yay! My party time is ready. See you in my next video. Thank you and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my future updates. Bye bye.